Volatility is coming out of the market for the most part. It's back to steady as she goes. Let's bring in Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives. Tim, as you're watching the market, what are your three keys to trading and what are some likely market movers?
Yeah, absolutely. I think the first is really we had the first of the Magnificent Seven report in Google and have certainly the rest of them coming very shortly. So I think how those stocks report and more importantly, the market reaction to them will be the key to how we play out really the rest of the summer here going forward, really entering into a seasonally tough stretch ever since the financial crisis 15 years ago. August and September have been on average down months for the stock market. So entering into a tough spot from a seasonality standpoint for stocks. And then looking at some of the names from the economic front, Freeport-McMoRan and UPS, which reported earnings, yesterday, not met very well. Both those stocks down sharply. So is the economy slowing down as well? Is that a harbinger of maybe tough times ahead? So I think the market's looking at consolidation at best and perhaps a little bit of a pullback here, continued rotation with the Russell, which had been the leader, maybe being somewhat of an underperformer here to the NASDAQ and the S&Ps.
What's your trade of the day?
Yeah, looking actually at a pairs trade here to profit from continued sideways action here, kind of favoring the NASDAQ for the first time in a long time versus the Russell here. So just selling out of the money, triple Q put spreads to take a guarded bullish stance here and selling out of the money bear call spreads on the IWM, the Russell 2000, looking for the fact the Russell has been up about 9% in the past month, the NASDAQ down, for that to kind of revert here, the Russell to be a underperformer to the NASDAQ over the next month or so, and that spread to converge and profit perhaps on both sides.
A way to play both sides of the market, big and small. Thank you, Tim.
No problem. Take care, Ange.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.